So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy fractional shares of silver here on Wealthsimple. So if you guys are new to Wealthsimple, I'll go ahead here and show you guys my referral link. So if you go ahead and use this referral link when signing up, the link's also down below in the description. You guys get a little bit of money for signing up, so do I, and you guys also enter a chance with this promotion to win in a $1 million home. So that's kind of cool there. But in order to buy fractional shares of silver, go to the top search bar right here and type in ticker symbol SVR. Press on this one. Now there are also other ETFs which you guys can use to invest in silver. Go to the bottom, select your account. I'll go non-registered for this example, and then press on buy. So once you guys are on this page, if you just were to go ahead and type in one, this actually is one share, one full share, and that's the price below. If you want to do fractional shares, just go ahead and press the reverse right here. So this time, if you want to do maybe $5, it'll show you how much shares that is, and if you want to proceed, press on review. Now on this page right here, you guys can review your order, and if all looks good and you want to finalize the transaction, go to the bottom. In my case, press on Q order or press on buy, and you guys can proceed with the fractional shares order that way. So very straightforward, very simple. That's how you guys can buy fractional shares of silver here on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.